Hi everyone, you're welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Patience and you're welcome back again to my channel. So in today's video I will be showing you how to make Enugu African salad at the comfort of your home. So you might be wondering, how do you make this Enugu Abacha, or how to make Enugu Abacha? I know that's why you clicked on this video. Do not fret if you are scared or skeptical about making this. I'm going to walk you through on how to make this. So Enugu African salad is a delicious and healthy delicacy that is very easy to make and is packed with nutrients if you make it the right way. So if you want to make your African salad in Enugu restaurant way, just keep watching as I take you through step by step and all the ingredients which I used in achieving this mouth-watering dish. Let me start by introducing you to all the ingredients which I'll be using. The abacha, I've pre-soaked the abacha. This is a dry abacha, but I have to soak it up so it will be very soft. Why this is the baka. Here I have my otazi leaf, onion, and angara, and this is my omo. I have diced and spiced with pepper. This omo is very spiced and it's very tasty. Here is my red oil and here is my crayfish, and here is my fish. Do not look at my fish. My fish is very small, I know, but I just wanted to show you guys the process on how to make this abacha. So if this is the kind of video that interests you, keep watching and do not forget to subscribe. So once the ingredients used in preparing this dish is ready, I went ahead to prepare the palm oil sauce. So in a clean hot pan, I went ahead heating up some palm oil in the pot and further adds the diced onion and stir fry. Once the onion is translucent, I added my ogiribo and fry till it's completely dissolved in the oil. This is to add extra flavor to the abacha. So next I went ahead to add some grounded crayfish, some of the Abacha, nut cubes, and salt for taste. Then I started adding the pre-soaked abacha to the sauce and stirred properly until everything is well combined. So if you're watching up to this moment, I would like to know which state or country you're watching me from at the comment section, and I would also like to know how you make your own abacha at home. Is your method different from mine? Let me know also at the comment section. Always remember, when making this abacha, make sure it's on a very low heat so you don't overcook the abacha. This method is to get a smoky abacha, just like the way restaurant people make it, because you don't want the abacha to be too soft or too dry. We also check for oil quantity and the abacha servings. You don't add too little oil or too much abacha into your oil sauce when making this abacha. So I will continue to stir and make sure everything is combined well properly and the taste is normal before I proceed on with other step. So since you want a smoky like abacha, that restaurant feel, you want to make sure you are doing it in a proper way. Once the abacha is cooked properly, I went ahead to add my dry pepper. Feel free to add any pepper of your choice and according to how spiced you can tolerate. So after adding the pepper and stirring for like a minute, I turned off the heat and set it aside, then continue with other process in making this abacha meal. So in another bowl, I'll be adding some oil, then go ahead and add the dissolved ngwo into the oil. You can also use dissolved potash to make the ngwo, but I'm using the palm ash solution in making mine cause potash is too strong and some people's stomach can be intolerable when it comes to potash, and when they ingest it in any forms or in cooking, it becomes too tough for them to handle. So I'll be using the palm ash solution in making my ngwo. So once I added the palm ash dissolved solution, I continue to stir the oil until the oil becomes very thick. So this is the consistency I want after adding the palm ash into the oil. I will continue to stir until everything is uniform. Also remember, this is also the result you are going to get if you are using potash in making the ngwo. You are going to get this particular result, but this ngwo is made out of palm ash solution, so it's also giving the same results. So once I'm done with the consistency I want, I will go ahead and add the grounded crayfish and stir properly. So because I'm making a tiny batch of an ncha, I will be adding a little nut cube out of one just for taste, but feel free to add your spice according to the servings and quantity of abacha you are making. So I will go ahead and add my Cameroon pepper, salt, and stir and get to know how this tastes. So by now this is tasting very great. So all I did next was to add the uwa, mix it properly, and it's ready to be served and paired with the abacha. So if you have abacha at home and you crave for this, go grab your ingredients and make yours and have this mouth-watering dish. Trust me, this meal is super sweet and you are going to love it. So if you're watching up to those moments and you are not yet a subscriber, you've not clicked the like button, please consider doing so. Subscribe to my channel, click the like button, share to your friends and loved ones. So guys, the cooking process is done and the food is ready to be served. Trust me guys when I say this meal is super delicious and can be served in any typical Nigeria special occasions and celebrations such as wedding, birthdays, festivals, housewarming. In fact, it's very popular among the eastern part of Nigeria and is also a popular street food in Nigeria. That's what makes this abacha a special and unique meal. I hope you love this recipe, so go try yours and get back and tell us what yours tastes like. So I'll be seeing you guys on my next video. So if you love this video, do not forget to give this video a thumbs up and I'll be seeing you on my next one.